Innovation doesn't happen in isolation. It takes lots of people, in lots of organisations, doing lots of hard work. At every step of the way, everyone strives to create the breakthroughs that make life better. However, since they're focused on that, they can't focus on something else, creating connections to deliver the supplies, equipment and materials that empower researchers, scientists and other innovators. But without that, innovation can't thrive. That's why Dabos brought the same level of innovation to the logistics and commerce by creating a complete platform that connects you with organisations who need your products for their innovation. As a total e-commerce solution, Dabos helps your products get to the people who need them, not only by handling web development and interface, but also by taking care of logistics and fulfillment. This means that you get a cost-effective solution that can also scale, increasing your exposure to potential customers and accelerating your ability to deliver the resources that drive innovation. With Dabos, the logistics are finally as innovative as the science. Join today and be part of the next great breakthrough.